How to delete Exness account permanently. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to easily delete your Exness account permanently. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to give our video a like and smash the subscribe button as well. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your Exness account and then log into your account. So I'm just going to log into my account here, and once you land on your home page, from here all you want to do is at the bottom you see different tabs like account, trade, markets, performance, and profile. Once you head over to your profile tab, you will find different options here as well. If you haven't completed your profile, it will ask you to complete your profile, and many more options are available here. So in order to delete your account, you just have to tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. And once you tap on it, it will take you to your account settings. So under security, you will have different options for security type, change passcode, sign in with the biometrics, and many more. And at the very bottom of your screen, you will find delete account. Tap on it, and from here you just have to contact the support@exness.com. So from here you just want to head over to your Gmail application to write them a short email. Tap on compose, and on your body you can just type in something like this. Just have to tell them that you want to delete your account and you just want their help. And on the address bar you can just type in their email, support.exness.com, and send them their email, and they should get back to you in a day or two. So that's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.